Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Masfar Rana. Welcome to another video, my dear viewers. Today we are here to talk with our three brilliant language learners who is very outstanding and they are very excited to talk to in English, right? Yeah. Okay. How are you, Mr. Jarid?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also very fine. Are you okay?
Yes,
Can I ask you some question?
Yes.
Good, very good. What's your name?
My name is Abdullah Aljari.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Ferdous Alo.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Shamima.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Oh, 13 years old. What class do you read in?
I am in class 6.
You are in class 6, right? So, what's your first name?
My first name is Abdullah.
Oh, what's your last name?
My last name is Jari.
Jarib. Wow, so good name, Jarib. What's your full name?
My full name is Abdullah Aljari.
Wow, so good. What's your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Right. I like gardening, Okay, thank you, Mr. Jarib. Best of luck to you. And Harsh, how are you?
Not bad, and you?
I'm so far so good. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah,
Can you ask some question?
of course.
Okay, তোমাকে আমি একটু ভিন্ন ধরি বলো তো আজ
Today,
টুডে রাইট আগামীকাল
tomorrow,
গতকাল
yesterday,
দিন দিন
day to day,
দিনের পর দিন
day by day,
সকাল
morning,
বিকেল
afternoon,
দুপুর
noon,
সন্ধ্যা
evening,
রাত
night,
মধ্যরাত
midnight,
গভীর রাত
deep night,
ওয়াও সো যুগ
era.
Wow, so good. So you are talking nicely. So, আমি এখানে,
I'm here,
আমি ওইখানে,
I'm there,
আমি কি খাই?
do I eat?
আমি রোজা রাখছি।
I'm fast.
Wow, so আমি রোজা রাখছি। I'm fasting. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Ranata Basumtoa. Next. What's your name?
My name is Nashita Noshi.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Oh, good. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, তোমাকে কি আমি একটু কিছু ট্রান্সলেশন ধরি, ওকে? হ্যাঁ, গুড। আমি খাবো।
I will eat.
আমি যাব।
I will go.
I will go, মানে আমি যাবই। Right? I shall.
I shall go. I shall go.
ওকে? আচ্ছা। আমি নাচবো।
I shall dance.
আচ্ছা নাচো তো দেখি একটু। No. Thank you. আচ্ছা, ওকে। No problem. You should now I shall ask you. আমি লিখি।
I write.
Good. আমি পড়ি।
I read.
আমি যাই।
I go.
আমি লাফাই।
I jump.
I hope.
I
Hope.
hope.
আমি I jump means আমি লাফ দেই আর আমি লাফাই I hope. Right. Okay, good. What's your favorite player?
No.
No. Don't you like games? No. Okay, good. What's your hobby?
Traveling.
Traveling.
Yes, sir.
Your hobby is traveling, right? Oh, because I like traveling. Oh, good. Very good. What do you want to be?
A doctor.
A doctor?
Yes.
You want to be a doctor? Wow, so good. Then you, what do you want to be?
I want to be a good student and patriot.
You want to be a patriot?
Yeah.
Good, okay. And everybody should be a patriot, right?
Yeah.
Good. And then, what do you want to be?
I want to be an engineer.
An engineer? Wow, so very good. Okay, thank you. Best of luck. And I hope that Allah will help you to be the same. Okay, thank you. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.